It's another beautiful day in Red Wharf Bay, and this morning for breakfast we're going to be having oven-baked croissants stuffed with cheese and scrambled eggs.
If there are adders around, I'd expect actually to have a chance of seeing some, if they're around. Well, that's ridiculous, isn't it? I've walked all around what I consider to be the adder habitat and found nothing. There's the van. Oh, where's the van? There's the van. And I'm coming back to it, and I found one. What looks like a small male. I'm going to try and get a video of it before it darts off, which it probably will do quickly. Might have already seen me, might have already gone. Still there. This isn't going to be a very good shot because it's quite well hidden. And I suspect it'll leg it as soon as it sees me. But we'll see if we can get at least... So there he goes. There he goes. Oh, still there. Yeah, still there. Gone. I have no idea what that looked like. I suspect it will look rubbish. But that's an adder. We've seen one. It's getting really warm now, so I'm going to call it a day. But I'm going to try and get another shot of that same adder. It's moved to a different spot and it's really well hidden now. I can't think it's going to let me take a video of it, but we'll have a go, see if we can get it back. Okay, so that adder footage was so terrible. I can't possibly leave it like that. So in true Blue Peter style, here are some I made earlier.
Decided to give ourselves a break for the evening from cooking and are heading off around the bay all the way over to the Ship Inn for supper.
Something tells me that Claudia isn't taking this very seriously. It's almost as if she's getting a bit fed up of me following her around and filming her. Well, tough, because I'm going to carry on anyway.
dare you to drink it. Well, I can't, I'm videoing you.
It is giant Hogwarts. Doesn't. Cow parsley, that is. Cow parsley. Yeah. Giant hogweed. Yeah, but no, it isn't. It's a giant.
Supper time at the Ship Inn, fish and chips for me and beer battered halloumi for the vegetarian, along with a side order of cheesy garlic bread. Sometimes when camping you need to make your own entertainment. This evening's entertainment starts with feeding the ravens.
Star shining, shining down. I heard that tune. Now I'm finding, honey, can't you see? 'Cause every time that melody, something breaks inside. Great people. destination, midnight, get across. You became my inspiration over waterfalls. 'Cause every time I hear that melody, something breaks inside. Break the blue. One star shine is more than now I'm smoking cigarettes and I strive for purity, and I slip just like the stars into obscurity. 'Cause every time I hear that melody puts me